Hi, this is Bill. On this demo, I'll be showing you how to use or how to create reports in ServiceNow. And before I deep dive, my previous lesson, I showed you how to create dashboards in ServiceNow, like what you're seeing at the moment. And this small widgets, right, which is composed of the dashboards, are individual reports. So as you build reports, you could basically create a dashboard depending on the outcomes that you're looking for. Now let's move forward in creating a report. So easily you could just type in the application navigator /run, right? So under reports, you will see view run. And what I'll be showing you is right now is the multiple reports already out of the box available for you in ServiceNow. So it's quite a mature platform, right? And you could just reuse them and copy and be able to change the queries accordingly. So how do you do that? So there's quite a few ways, right? So I'll start with zero, creating reports. So upon creating a report, right, you need to start with, of course, a report name. So let's say sample reports, right? And you need to find the data source, right? So on this occasion, we're going to source it out from a table, right? And type it as an incident table, right? So the incident table will contain data, and that is where the records will be coming from. So it will be real-time information depending on the source of your data, of course. So now after you create the data source, you could basically choose which one or what type of representation the report will be coming from. So let's say it's going to be a score, right? And we could go next and we could configure accordingly, style it, right? Then run it, right? After you running it, so basically you get the number of total incidents right now. So basically the naming convention has to make sense on what you are basically building. And from there you could save this report, right? And from there it will be accessible depending on your purpose. So you could add it to a dashboard, right? Or share it to a particular person, right? Or group, right? Once you share it, and you could basically share it to a particular person, everyone, or groups of users, depending on how you would like it to be accessed, right? So as you do that, right, you can also reuse what you have created to be able to build more reports out of it. And on this demo, basically, this is quite straightforward on how to build reports. On my next video, I'll show you on the tips and tricks on how you could basically create the best reports that you will come out as an expert in ServiceNow reporting. Thank you.